Hello and welcome to this new video on how to reset OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look on the right hand side of the bottom taskbar. There will be an cloud icon, and when you hover around it, it will say OneDrive Personal. So you just have to click on it and the pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. And on the top right hand side of that pop-up box, there will be a setting button. You just have to click on it and another small pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to click on the settings once more, and when you are inside that interface, you just have to look on the left hand side and you need to go to the account tab. And when you are inside the account tab, there will be a button called unlink this PC, and you just have to click on that unlink that PC, and a confirmation prompt will be opened right in front of you, and you just have to click on unlink account and your account will be unlinked. And when you have unlinked that account, you just have to go back to the OneDrive and sign in once more, and by that way you will be able to reset the OneDrive. So this is how you can easily reset OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.